Leaders are readers and they are great speakers and presenters as well. They connect with their audiences and make an impact on them through their humility, charisma, positivity, and energy. Would you like to know how do great presenters awe their audiences through their presentation and leave an impact? Then watch this video right up to the end. I am Naresh Shivani, a career growth specialist, a creativity coach, a laughter yoga trainer, and today I am going to share through this video some important pointers on how great presenters awe their audiences through their presentation, and thereby you too can learn these important pointers, implement them in your presentation and create an impact. Number 1, they are givers. Great presenters are givers of knowledge. They do not ask their audiences to connect with them on social media and various other platforms where they are visible. They are only concerned with giving knowledge and serving their audiences. Number 2, they are authentic. Great presenters have authenticity and genuineness when they present. They speak through their heart and thereby the connection with the audience is also very genuine. Number 3, they are aware. Great presenters are aware of their environment while they are presenting, and they are also situational aware. That means that they can adapt to any changes that may happen at the last moment while they are presenting. Number 4, they have audacity. Audacity means that they are bold in speaking. They are not scared while they are speaking. However, they may be scared with respect to the fear that the audiences have on them with respect to their genuineness. But yet, they speak in such a way that they exhibit authenticity, genuineness, and are not bothered of any kind of fear at all. Number 5, they are minimalists. Great presenters are very minimal in their slides while presenting. That means they have very few words in the slides but very large images. Images stay in the mind of the audiences and thereby the connection happens, leaving an impact. Therefore, the minimalist that you are in your presentation, the greater impact that you can keep and build on your audiences. Number 6, great presenters rehearse and rehearse. Practice makes you perfect. Therefore, great presenters practice for long hours so that they can create an impact. Steve Jobs presented great presentation while launching Apple products. Do you know what did he do? He practiced for long hours until he made that perfection and came to the stage and created an impact on the audience. Number 7, they create wow moments. Great presenters create wow moments while presenting in front of audiences. Bill Gates, one of the great speakers, in one of his TED talks, opened a bottle of mosquitoes in his presentation. And do you know what happened? The audience was astounded. How could someone open a bottle of live mosquitoes and let them move around in the audience? But Bill Gates said, why should poor people suffer from mosquitoes? Even the rich should face that same situation. While Bill Gates was doing this, when he was explaining how do mosquitoes cause malaria. Number 8, great leaders tell stories. Stories connect with audiences. Bear in mind, we have grown from our childhood till adulthood listening to a lot of stories. Therefore, stories have power. And that is why great presenters, when they create an impact on their audiences, they are telling great stories. And stories enable them to make their point. Number 9, they have an end goal in mind. Great presenters have an end goal in mind to leave a great impact on their audiences through the message that they want to give by their presentation, and that message remains in the mind of their audiences right even after they have left the room. Therefore, creating an impact by having a goal in mind also creates a very significant connect with the audience. And point number 10 is they think like a GPS when they are building their content. Great presenters are having a GPS in their mind when building their content. That is, they through their presentation want to take the journey of the audience from point A to point B, and there the connect really happens. I hope these important pointers that great presenters give to their audiences and use in their presentation would be of great help to you, and you too can implement while presenting. I would also request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, the link of which is given in the comment section below, and also click on the notification bell so that you are updated as and when I post the new videos in the YouTube channel. I would also urge you to follow me on social media and connect me over there as well.